United Airlines, which I see that you have pulled up here, feels extremely extended.
Yeah, it is. It's up over 100% out of its range. So it's hitting actually a 5-year high today. I think traders would love to see this move to 100, but it is very extended. And so what it should do is perhaps sit inside of the box that I'm going to draw here. Old resistance, new support, that looks like about 80. So the question is, are you up for a gamble? Or, earnings don't come until January. So let's take a look at a cheapie. So here's the thought process. Cycle events normally have a bit of a run now into about the 20th of the month, and then it sort of plateaus, pulls back a little bit. We have a Santa Claus rally. We have loss harvesting. We have portfolio rearrangements. And so the week after Christmas normally sees a little bit more of a dip. And then just before the end of the year, they start buying up again so that everybody's portfolio, from the manager's perspective, the investment manager, is holding all the stocks that have been doing well. So
now, do the days of the week that those dates fall on matter at all, Anne-Marie? Because looking ahead here, Christmas Day is Wednesday, so that the 26th and the 27th are going to be that Thursday, Friday. And then those last 2 days before the New Year's is Monday, Tuesday, 30, 31.
A lot of them are not working, so that they will adjust, but I don't have the specific data on which day of the week, whether it matters on the day of the week. So let's shoot for January, and let's say to ourselves, hey, what if this comes back to 80? Can we get ourselves a cheap trade, let's say 82.50, and then 72.50, and then 67.50? So this one is about 90 cents, but it's $90 for a potential $1,000 move, right? Because it's $10. And so that could be very nice if you want to trade the fade into support. Now, the flip side of that is they could have something fantastic happen. They might have great oil traders. And if they do that and it breaks out of this box, the top end, I would do the half back here. The top end looks like maybe the halfway point of the box, so maybe 108 to 109. But I also believe that this is extended. And what we would want to do is say, all right, what happened the last time we had old resistance, new support, and then blowing through it like we have? Do we have news driving this?
United Airlines today, Tuesday, United sees nearly a 30% surge in travel to European Christmas markets. We also had TD Cowen maintaining a buy and raising the price target to 125 today. So yes, we have data directly out of United Airlines itself about increased travel demand as well as an upgrade.
A couple of things are driving that. One, the dollar is at very strong highs. And so people with money are going to go to Europe, where they're going to get more bang for the buck. That's probably driving that space. And I'm probably pretty sure it's being driven by stock market gains. If you're looking at the other side of that trade and you're saying, okay, let's see if it gets to 110.
By the way, really quickly, I don't know if this matters in your calculus at all, but there are some recent price targets here on UAL. Barclays went to 150, Goldman Sachs went to 119, and as I mentioned here today, Cowen went to 125.
What price targets do when they get a first upgrade is they boost They hit that social media, whatever, and people go, oh, I'm going to take a little. They don't have a ton of confidence in the trade, and they are looking for maybe price action to keep really running higher, else they're going to get out immediately. So I don't normally like those, but I do like looking at it about 30 days after an upgrade to see how the traders are doing with that from an upgrade perspective. So this target that they normally put out is usually a 6-month target. And so sometimes it's a yearly target, depending on the analyst. And so if it starts moving even faster, they come out and they revise the upgrade with new price targets, but that usually maybe happens once a quarter, if at all. So that being said, that's what I would look at there. The key thing to watch, yes, it does look really overdone. Yes, we should see some sellers come in. How about hanging on to that put butterfly, the 1x3x2 butterfly, and let's see how it ends the week. Put that in your back pocket and say, if I get all the way up here to 100, one, that butterfly is going to be cheaper, way cheaper. And two, you'll be able to see if that 100 contains some sort of big spike. And if it's got a spike, then you go, all right, I'm going to hop in here and see if this will work. Now, the measured move is up at 98. So I'm going to put an alert there just for grins, and we'll check it out. We'll see how it goes.